Hello there, my name is Mr. OMG. The equation of this is true for value of x, for all value of x, where a constants. What is the value of a? Okay, yeah. Since it's true for all value of x, let's substitute x equals to 1, yeah. So when you substitute, we get this, okay, 24 plus 25, and so on, okay. And we multiply all by a minus 2, since these fractions, yeah. We multiply all by a minus 2, and we get this. This is 2, become 2, yeah. And this become minus 11 times a minus 2, and so on. This become this, okay, yeah. So we use algebra. We move the minus 53 to become 55, and we get a minus 2 equals to minus 5, and we get a equals to minus 3. So a equals to minus 3, yeah, okay, and that's the answer. Points A and B lies on the circle with radius 1. Arc AB has a length pi over 3. What fraction of the circumference of the circle is the length of arc AB? So basically this is the picture. This is with radius 1 circle, and AB is on circle with arc AB is pi over 3. So what of fraction is the circumference? Okay, the circumference formula is 2 pi r, which is the radius is 1. So the arc AB, which is pi over 3. So to find the fraction is this divided by this, which is 1 over 6, and that's the answer. If 3x minus y equals to 12, what is the value of 8 to the power x over 2y? So from here, 8 to the power x over 2y is what we need to see. 8 is 2 to the power of 3, okay, yeah. So this is 3x, since this is divide, so we can write this is 2 to the power of 3x minus y. And this is 12 based on the information here. So 2 to the power of 12, and that will be the answers, 2 to the power of a, okay. The question above shows how temperature F measures in degree Fahrenheit related to degree Celsius. So we have three choices: I, and triple I. Yeah. Okay, let's use a example. If F is 32, that means C is 0. Okay, yeah. The first one, when F is increased by 1 degree, so that means 33. So the C will be 5 over 9. That means the increase will be 5 over 9 by Celsius. While BII, 1 degree Celsius increase, so C become 1. So F become 33.8. So the increase in Fahrenheit is 1.8. So it's true here. Okay, yeah, this is true. This is true. While for triple I, yeah, Fahrenheit increased by 5 over 9, so 32 5 over 9. So C, if you count, there will be 25 out of 81. That will increase C by 25 out of 81. So this is wrong. Okay, yeah. So the answer will be I and I only, which is D. That's the answers. If the expression above is rewritten in A plus BI, which is 8 minus I divided by 3 minus 2I, this one, yeah. What is the value of A here? Okay, yeah. So from here, we must times it by conjugate. This is complex number, okay, yeah. Which is the conjugate is 3 plus 2I and over 3 plus 2I. So we use the expansions. We get 24 plus 16I minus 3I minus 2I square. Okay, we use expansion for that, yeah. And we do the same thing for the bottom one, which is this. Yeah, we can see that this is cross out, yeah. And this, since I square is minus 1, we substitute, we get 26 plus 13I divided by 9 plus 4. This is 13. So divide by 13, 26 divided by 13 is 2 plus I. And that will be the answer, which is A equals to 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment, because your comment will be featured in the YouTube shorts. Thank you.